up, y'all? It's your girl Tia, and I'm back with another video. Okay, y'all, right now I'm filming on my cell phone. It has this little annoying little keychain thing. Well, it's really cute for my case, but it's annoying with the sound, so excuse me if you do hear a little clicking every now and then. I'm going to remove it once I finish this little clip here. But we're back home finally. We had a great vacation. It was a well-needed vacation for the kids and myself. It was definitely overwhelming at times, but it was definitely good. And the whole time I kept saying never again, never again, never again. But I'm thinking about planning something for next year. But most likely it will probably be definitely just the whole trip will be either at a hotel or a cruise or something like that. So I'm gonna look into that for now. Excuse the noise. That's Cairo in the background, waiting for me to come talk to him. I just finished changing him and getting him situated, so there's nothing wrong with him. He just wants mommy in his face. But the boys are outside with my mom right now. They're playing with their balls and stuff like that. Zion is sleeping, and then I'm frying up some chicken. I'm thinking about doing a mukbang tonight, so I don't know. And I'm going to go ahead and do that, but if I do, stay tuned for that video as well. So yeah, I'm just going to fry some chicken and make some things for dinner and just chill out. I think I'm going to make a margarita, a strawberry margarita, and yeah, just chill out. I'm going to clean up some things. It feels good to be home, start to get things back in order. Let me go get my baby. Start to get things back in order. And as far as at home, you know, looking for a new job. Childcare is already their daycare situation is already set up. They just can't start right now because the spots that are available for them. Yeah, the spots that are available for them are not available yet. He's teething something crazy, y'all. So he wants everything in his mouth. Here. Here. Alright, let me get him and then I'll be back in a minute. Just chit chat about that a little later. Okay. Okay, y'all, so I'm making some french fries as well. I have some done already. Excuse the mess everywhere. Some fries here. And I'm using the Ida brand. That's how I'll say it. Okay, y'all. So he's pretty much chill right now. I gave him a bottle and kind of calmed him down. So he's a little bit chilled. I'm going to finish frying my chicken. And then I'm going to try and take a quick shower so I can be a little more comfortable when I eat my dinner and do a little mukbang and stuff like that. I don't know what time I'm probably gonna do my mukbang. It'll probably be late tonight when the boys go to sleep, because then I'm able to really talk and kind of just let loose and kind of just get into the video. So I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna eat until later on tonight when they're sleeping. That's probably not until like 11 p.m. Maybe like 11 p.m. They should all be out, like, for the count. So hopefully they burn all that energy now and they'll go to sleep as soon as they come in or after they shower and stuff like that. So I'll film that as well. Me just washing them up, getting them ready for bed. You know, I do a little bit of I give them their tablets and stuff like that, and let them kind of just do their own little thing in their own little zone after they take a bath and eat and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to prepare everything for their bedtime, prepare everything for their dinner, and finish cooking. Okay, so here's just pretty much just a drawer of just literally all of their just pajama shirts, tank tops, underwears, and whatnot, and so forth. So I'm gonna go ahead and just grab them each a shirt. Nothing fancy tonight. Them all a pair of underwears. So 1, 2. I put underwears on Zion because he likes to take off his Pampers, so he gets a pair as well. So that's 1, 2, 3. Cairo's in a pamper. And then I have the 1, 2 shirts and then 3 shirts. Cairo's onesies and everything like that is in another drawer, so his will be gotten in a minute. I don't think any are in here. Okay, yeah, so here is pretty much what they'll be wearing. Besides, Zion will wear a pamper under his underwear. So 1, 2, 3 underwears for them, and then the 3 tank tops, and then I'm just gonna go ahead, carry these over. Literally, this is how it goes. Carry these over to the bathroom. So here's a little bench in my bathroom that I keep their stuff, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and just grab their towels. You need a bath, Kaiser. It's hot grease in here, Kaiser. Kaiser. So he doesn't want a bath. He just came from outside. He wants his cup that has to be washed and some milk. Can you get in the tub first? No. You tired? Alright, take your shoes off. Take your shoes off. Sit down. Sit down. Take your shoes off. Sit down so I can take your shoes off. Okay, y'all, so I took a shower. Right now I'm going to finish up this food that I'm cooking, french fries and fried chicken and buffalo wings. I am going to make me some margaritas, and I just used the Master of Mixes brand. I'm going to show you how I make it. Easy, simple steps. If you want to add your little extra stuff to it, tequila or whatever, you can, or you can just have it plain with just on the rocks, on ice, blend it with ice. So I'm going to take these french fries out because they look just about done, and then I'm going to go ahead and make me a margarita. Right now Cairo is right here watching me. He is in a cranky mood today, so I don't know if it's from his teething or what. Zion is actually laying down Jeremiah and Kai's asleep, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish these french fries up. Then I'm gonna go ahead and make my daiquiris and chill out and watch me some movies and wait for this little boy to go to sleep because he over here wants somebody to be talking to him all night long. Yeah, that's his almost sleep face, so maybe he'll go to sleep. I don't know. But I'm gonna go ahead and make this margarita.